Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Kmart haul for you. Somehow I managed to spend over $300 at Kmart yesterday. I did go in there thinking, I'm just gonna have a look around Kmart. I know they've got some good stuff right now. And I'm gonna pick up one of their little blue trolleys. And then it escalated quickly into $300. So it's mainly clothing and shoes. And I'm filming in a different location today. My closet, I decided, was a little bit too dark, needed too much lighting, so I'm filming actually in my dining room. So we'll see how this setup goes. But yeah, let's get into the haul. Some shoes. Now, I am a shoe lover. I've been finding the flats that I've got are just, they get scummy after a while. So I picked up these ones here. These ones were $7 and they're just this blush kind of color. They're like not tan, but not pink either. What do they say on the tag? They say that they're pink on the tag, but I don't think they are. Anyway, I like this detail around here. I think that they look really smart and they're just cute little flats. These black ones were on sale for $4. I just needed some black ones for work and whenever I want to wear plain black flats. The other day I actually needed this belt and I didn't have it, so I bought one. It's just a basic tan belt. It's $8. It's got a gold buckle. It's a bit thicker than the normal thin ones and I got it to wear around my waist. So like just around there. I know that these are typically jean belts, but I got it to wear with some denim skirts that I have. If you've seen my latest clothing haul, not the eBay dresses, but the clothing haul that I showed with the skirts from Dottie, the denim skirts. Now this one here is in the size small and I have a black one in a medium to go with my jeans. Yeah, there's those. These are really good value for $8. This hat is so cute. You can't even see it properly. But I picked up this hat. It's white. It's got a little bit of trim, rope around here, and it was $9. I bought it to wear to a festival, but then I didn't end up wearing it just because it was a super windy day and I thought it might fly off. Kmart and their jewelry section, especially their earrings, have come through. These gorgeous little earrings, $4 each. They're both this is a mauvey kind of color, this is a blush kind of color. Both have rose gold detailing around the top and they are freaking stunning. I actually had some in a previous Kmart haul in a navy kind of color and I've picked up some other ones as well. I think some cream and then some kind of a nudie kind of color, but I'm obsessed and I need to wear these more because they are so cute. How gorgeous is this color? Oh, I also picked up this gold necklace. Now this one was $4 and it's just got 2 rings like so. It's really, really simple. Sorry, I've got a crop top on and leggings right now. But yeah, really simple. It's a little bit longer than what I wanted. I probably wanted it about there and it sits about there. But for $4, it was definitely something that I wanted the other day and didn't have. And then I saw it and I'm like, it's $4. How cute is this cosmetics bag? This one was $8, I'm pretty sure. It's a toiletry bag, but I'm going to use it for my makeup. I have been traveling a bit, over the past year or so, and I think that this is a really good size to be able to limit my makeup to when I travel. Oh, that smells. So yeah, it fits, I think, quite a lot, and I think that that's a good limit to take my makeup in because I feel like the bag that I've got right now kind of flops open and everything goes everywhere, whereas this is going to keep everything in there nice and neat. So I had a look in their, toiletry department and whatever, but I found this cosmetic brush cleaner. Be Me, quick and effective removal of makeup from brushes. I thought I'd try it. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was maybe $6 or $4 or something like that. And then there's also this makeup brush cleaner. It's just like a sponge, but apparently it gets off the product. I don't know how it works, but I'm gonna try it anyway. See what I think of them. I didn't buy any more Kmart sponges because the last 2 that I've had, actually all the ones that I've tried so far, they just stain so easily and I feel like the product just stays in the sponge and it doesn't, then it applies patchy. How gorgeous are these shoes? These were $25 and they've got a little peep toe at the front. They've got a nice heel. They've got this, I don't have any shoes like this. I don't know even what to call it, I don't know what to call it. But yeah, the women's dress boots, $25. They were black. They did come in like a maroon burgundy kind of color. So I just thought that they were stunning and I had to get them. I had a look in their makeup section and there really wasn't anything that stuck out to me. I guess because I am spoiled for choice with makeup. I have a huge collection. I do not need any makeup, but I did pick up this one. This is the anti-redness primer. It was a couple of dollars, maybe $4, $5, I think. I'm not expecting anything amazing. Let me know if you want a video showing off Kmart cosmetics. They finally have hoodies back in stock. Now, these ones were $12, I'm pretty sure, and I picked up a pink and a black one. I wore the absolute crap out of mine last year, and I think I got them like I got maybe like one in a 14 and one in a 16, and I had a black one in a 12. The black one, I wore it when I was painting, and it's trashed. It's my outside feral jumper. I picked up 2 new ones, and I've got this nudie pink color, which is like, it's actually kind of like a peach. These are the comfiest things ever. I went back in to get some like at the end of last year and they were sold out. But I could even do with like bigger size just to like be nice and slothy, you know what I mean? But yeah, these were only $12, super comfy, the best fleece, so warm. Highly recommend getting your hands on these. They're amazing. So they had heaps of new clothes in store and I just, honestly, I went a little bit nuts. I got this sweater here, which is like a burgundy color. It has a crossover here. I just thought it would be kind of cute to wear with jeans or whatever. Okay, so I'll pop this one on and show you. Oh yeah, this is cute. This is so cute, and this color, oh my gosh, it's amazing. I didn't even try it on in store. I'm just like, it'll be fine. How much was it? $18. Love it. Accessory department coming through. These little bandana things, like these things are so cute. I've seen a few people wear them and they just look adorable. So I wanted to get some of them. Now 2 for $5. And then I picked up a navy blue bandana for $2. They did have a red one like a few weeks ago, but they didn't have any left. Okay, so I picked up another belt. Now this one has like this really cool detailing on the buckle. This one was $8 as well. And what size? I got this one in a medium to wear with my jeans because I thought it would look cute with my black jeans, which are like mid-rise. I don't know what happened, but there were some boots on sale, they must have just put them out the back and then like now it's coming up to the season. So from last year, these were $12 and I just thought that they'd be perfect for work or, you know, when I want to look a little bit smarter with like tights and a skirt or a dress or something like that. I thought that they were really cute for $12. They're in perfect condition. They're nice little boots. And they also had these suede ones for $12 as well. So I picked up those ones. $12 for boots. Hopefully they're comfortable enough that I can wear them through winter, like being my little boots. Okay, so I got this blue basic top. It's just got like a little knot down the bottom, and this one was $7. I got it in a size 12. I'll try that on for you now. Oh, it fits a little bit weird. Yeah, I don't know about this one. Like, I need this to maybe be up a little bit higher. Like, it comes down too long. It is what it is. I like the color of it though. Maybe it'll look cute with some jeans. I did actually get these jeans. Now, these ones are super skinny stretch, high-rise lift and shape. They feel really thin. I got them in a size 12. I do not know how they're gonna go. I haven't bought Kmart jeans in about 4 or 5 years. They're not too bad. Like, I mean, I've got a bit of a muffin top there, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. So there they are. Like, I mean, I have no bum. I have a very flat bum. So I think that they don't look too bad. And I love the color. I think that they fit pretty nicely. I think I just need to stretch that band. It isn't exactly high rise, like my belly button is there. So I wouldn't call them high rise. They're mid rise for me. High rise is like hitting my waist and it's about that short from doing that, so. I got this really cute shirt, so I'll pop that one on for you. It was $15 in a size 12. Like, I mean, it probably looks a little bit mumsy, but I don't know. I think that they fit pretty nicely. I think But I thought like with white jeans it might look kind of cute. They did have it like done up here, but I think it looks cuter without that done up. I don't know. Ooh, this is cute. This is like a leotard. It's not like, it is a leotard with these little sleeves here. I don't know, what do you call them? They're not even half sleeve. They're like a quarter sleeve. I don't even know. They're more than a cap sleeve. And this one was $7. I got in a 14 because I like my bodysuits a bit bigger so I can get them done up. So it's got like a low back. See, I don't know if I can wear this because my bum isn't like big enough. Needs a big old booty. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a little bit big, but like I can tell it's a little bit big. They're meant to be quite fitted. I probably could go down a size in this. But yeah, this is cute. Except I hate that. How adorable is this top? I die. I am a massive Dalmatian fan. I've loved them ever since I was little, like the 101 Dalmatians, and this cami was $12. A little bit pricey to be honest for what it is. Oh my God, I am in love. How cute is this? Oh my God. This is adorable. This is so cute. Obviously, would prefer to wear a strapless bra, but I don't have one with me right now, so you're just gonna have to deal. Yeah, this is gorgeous. I really, really love this. It doesn't even, like, it does not look like Kmart at all. Like, Kmart have stepped up their game. Now, I did get this jacket, the Jean-Claude Jacquerie. It's like a little, what do they call them? Anorak or whatever. So I'll try him on. I love all these like blush and mauvey kind of tones. I didn't even try this on. This is in a size 12. Like everything that I got is in a size 12. Yeah, this is cute. This is cute AF, guys. Like, so cute. I wish I had like little pockets that you could put your hands into though. This is so cute. How much was this? $25. Now it is really, really lightweight, so keep that in mind. It's made out of viscose. I hate viscose. I've got this plain tee in a size 10 for $2. Can't go wrong. I bought some in a 12 and a 14 and they weren't fitted enough for me. So I think that the 10 fits a lot better. Like they were just a bit big for my liking. I got this gorgeous blue top. This one was $9. I hate these straps. This is actually so nice. The quality is really good. It does come down quite long, so you could wear it with like leggings potentially. It does come down quite long, but it comes up on the side. So something that you could wear with like leggings maybe. It fits quite well. It's a little bit tight on the bust. But the quality of the material is actually super nice and it's not see-through. So that is great. Oh, this skirt is so cute. I need to try it on now. Now this one, $15. I just thought it'd be cute for like summer, even though summer's nearly over, but anyway. I just popped it on with this other t-shirt thing that I got. I don't know if this is gonna work. What's the go with this? Is it meant to like sit there? So this top, I don't even know how much it was. I'm thinking like $4 or something. So this is the skirt. Like, I mean, I think it looks pretty cute. It's just pretty casual kind of thing. And I like the length. I like that it's not too short. Some skirts can be just way too short. That's the skirt, $15. And then this top, now I did go down a size, as I said before with the other ones. This one's like potentially a little bit too tight in the arms. So keep that in mind with these like V-necky kind of ones. These pants, I don't know if they're gonna work, but they are amazing. Like, please work on me. I don't think that they will because I have no bum, but they're this beautiful mauvey kind of color and they're just like paper bag pants. Ugh, so gorgeous. Let me try them on. I gotta see if they're gonna work for me. I do not think they are going to work. Look at this, like they just, if they came up like a bit higher, Like, I just don't know if that's cute. Oh, I never know how to redo these up. No. Oh my god, I think I did it. I just don't know if I can pull them off with the shape of my bum and my love handles and whatnot. Like, they're cute. I just don't know. They're like pretty comfy. I just wish they came up like this much higher. That is honestly like such a shame. I don't think I can make them work. I don't know. They're so nice. Lastly, I got these little shorts. These were on sale for $3. I got the size 10 just to wear around home. They didn't have any 12s. They only had 6, 8s and 10s out of all their little shorts left. I just thought that they'd be cute for home. Lastly, a pair of gold slippers. These are like those shoes that I showed at the start. They're a little bit different. These ones were on sale for $8. I just thought the rose gold was so pretty. Like, so that is all for my Kmart haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know by giving it a thumbs up if you want to see more. This was actually really fun. Just going to Kmart. They have some mint stuff at the moment, so you should get in there while you can. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a really awesome day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.